Hi, I'm Alex Daly for Daily Driver. Today we're going to do disc brake slide repair on my 98 Jeep XJ Cherokee. It's a common issue for some of the best 90s to 2000s Jeeps, XJ, MJ, ZJ, YJ, LJ, TJ. It's an earlier disc brake design where the caliper slides on pins to apply pressure while the brake pads slide on a machined part of the knuckle. Knuckles are available from Dorman. I was trying to remember why it feels like I've done the ball joints a bunch on this Jeep. It's because I threw new ones in when I did employee discounted Dorman knuckles on this when I worked there like 8 years ago. The slots have come back. There's weird driveline noise that went away when I cleaned and greased the slides, but there's visible divots again. This time around, I'm a better welder and or broker and lazier, so another common remedy for this is to fire up my Lincoln Weld Pack MIG welder right here and shoot some wire into the slots and grind down the little resulting dimple down to a smooth straight brake slide. I may finish with a flat file, or sometimes you can use the flat parts of an angle grinder disc, like the other sides. Let's start the teardown.
I'm familiar with the bubble, Morty. I also dabble in precision, and if you think you can even approach it with your sad naked caveman eyeball and a bubble of air, you're the reason this species is a failure, and it makes me angry. You're drunk.
Should be easy. Everything's new in here, even axle stub hardware and the weird wave washer. The real MVP is this Unitesc or brake caliper hook. Greased up the slides good with metallic anti-seize and smeared some silicone in the pin boots. repair worked great, and I made it 100 miles to the beach. No more ka-chunk from a stop, and no more ger-skigget when I let off the gas. I texted my mechanic and the pics. He's seen this kind of failure before, and he says my welds are a good fix. A way to avoid this in design is to use a caliper bracket that then bolts to the knuckle. Lord knows you need healthy brakes for 300 torque and heavy 31-inch tires. Thanks for watching. This is Alex Daly for Daily Driver.